So I put this cooler, refrigerator, whatever you want to call it, in the van, and it fits absolutely perfect. So all I got to do is just plug it in. And I'll throw some stuff in there and let it do its thing. I think I'm gonna run it through the jackery though, so I can just push the button and stop it when I want, instead of unplugging it. Well, hello everybody. I'm over a buddy of mine's house, watching some bowling. This is something that I can watch it in the van, because it's just antenna, so it's you all know how I like bowling. Haven't done it in a while. Getting ready to bowl. Johnson against Miller. Don't want to leave it up for more than 7 seconds, otherwise they'll take it down. They got just such crazy rules. I gotta get some food. Haven't eaten. I had the craziest dream. This is. I don't dream much. I had a dream. It was so weird. It was the weirdest dream ever. That I don't even remember right now. Oh, I know what it was. Yeah. So it had something to do with I was dating this girl, and then not her boyfriend, but her ex-boyfriend was getting out of prison, and I went with her to the prison when he was getting out, and she went with him. And I woke and I was heartbroken, and then I woke up and I was like, oh, thank God that was just a dream. Dreams are weird. I don't know where they come from, or where the content comes from, or whatever. And then I forget about them. You know, I can't remember any dreams. This will be the only way I'll remember a dream, is if I ever watch this again. Because I never watch dreams. Remember dreams. So, well, I'm gonna get some food, because I think I'm gonna make some food. Yeah, I'm gonna go get something to make, because there's nothing here for me to eat. Jar of peanuts. Oh boy. So, all right, we'll catch y'all later. PITME. Oh, Switzerland really stepped up against Russia. Sent something like 48 million in help for the people, and and a fight, and they're not part of NATO, but they sent like 12 fighter jets and a bunch of tanks. Russia's going down. The only way Russia's gonna win this is if they go nuclear, and then that's a suicide mission. So I'd hate to see that, because Poland's right next door, and it would definitely affect them. Well, it would affect the world, but it would really affect my people in Poland. So let's hope for the best. You know, PITME. So, you know, I always say it. Let's hope for the best. I'll see y'all later. Hey everybody. Happy Tuesday. I've been driving for I don't know, maybe half an hour, 40 minutes, and that refrigerator cooler I got, I plugged it in, and I'm running it off my Jackery, which runs, you know, off the cigarette lighter, and it keeps stuff nice and cold. So there's no problems with the Igloo brand. I was thinking this week was Easter, but it's not. Easter's next week. Don't know why I thought that, but I did. So my little camping trip is next week. So anyways, that's an update on the refrigerator, and yeah, so far I like it. I gotta figure out how much battery it drains, though, keeping it plugged in. I don't wanna be stranded because of that. I don't think it I know it shuts off once it's cold, just like any fridge. It's just not gonna keep running cold, and you know. So, and when I'm on a trip, I can always just push a button and shut it off, and a few hours later turn it back on if I need to. But if I don't open it, it's still gonna be cold. So okay, I gotta go to the drugstore and pick up some Q-tips, some dental floss, some more reading glasses, because I keep losing them or breaking them, and some razors. I think I'm gonna shave because I need to shave more than I do before it gets too long. When it gets long, it it's impossible. So, all right. Well, I'll give you an update here in a little while. We'll talk to you later. Hey, everybody. Good morning. Good Tuesday morning. Hanging out at my buddy's house. It's really nice out. But I was over here watching a basketball game late and got tired, so I just crashed on the couch. But oh, I can't believe tomorrow it's gonna be April 8th. Let's see, it's gonna be 29 years already since I should be dead. I should have been dead 29 years ago after getting shot. Oh, the light went out. An eighth of an inch and I'm dead. It would have hit my heart. That's how crazy life is. And now it's been 29 years. Let me turn a little bit of light on here. Oh. Yeah, nobody's here. They're out. He left for work already. It's early in the morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. But there was a show that was on a thing, not a show, but on the news, and they were talking about the gift of life and how lucky you can be and how unlucky some people are, and I've had a great 29 years. Some not so good, but for the most part, pretty awesome. And for whatever reason, I'm still around. Still, I should be working out a little more. I think I need to get a bicycle. Just so damn expensive. I love those electric bikes that you can pedal, but also when if you're out too far and you can't make it back, and it makes it nice to just turn on the electric and get a little boost to get you back. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if the prices come down. But back to how lucky, how lucky I was, for whatever reason. I don't know, just whether it was luck or, some people believe in intervention, some people believe in luck, some people believe in God, some people believe in, just circumstance, whatever. I believe in it all, so I can't pick and choose. I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not, I guess I don't know, maybe I'm not smart enough to know, but I appreciate everything. The van is, I got to get that gasket put on. But I'm still waiting for Sam to come back. It's just a little loud, that's all. And I wish people would leave stuff alone. Like, there was no reason to, somebody's gonna steal my catalytic converter to make $30. Now it's gonna cost me, $100 to get this. I don't even know how you put it on. I wouldn't have a clue. So, all right, well, y'all have a good morning. I'm gonna get some coffee. I wanted to sleep, but can't. I'm up. Can't sleep. So, I'll talk to y'all later. Yeah. Peace, everybody. Hopefully this Ukraine-Russia deal gets better, because they definitely need peace over there. We need peace here. We need peace everywhere. So, all right. Good morning, everybody. I'll talk to you all later.